simply understand the philosophy of coexistence, humans don't.
When we are able to see animals as individuals and not as things or objects, that is when we can really see a huge decrease in the number of animal abuse cases.
इंसान को सिखाते हैं वो चीज़ इंसान नहीं सीखता, समझते हैं कि जानवर है, पर वो जानवर में इतनी बुद्धि होती है कि इंसान पर नहीं होती।
I'm Ankit Puri. I'm from Delhi. Since the age of 13, I've been volunteering at various animal shelters, seeing the abuse that animals go through on a day-to-day basis. Some are acid attack victims, some are abandoned cases, or people who abandon their own companion animals. Some are victims of traffic accidents. There are multiple cruelties that happen to these animals, and that's what I witnessed at these shelters when I was volunteering. Voiceless India was founded on the aspect of promoting animal rights. While shelters and rescuers, they provide the welfare aspect, which is about treating animals or rescuing animals. Animal rights plays an even more important role in actually preventing abuse that leads to the need for welfare. Right? If animals are not abused in the first place, they wouldn't have to be treated, they wouldn't have to be rescued.
Inside the society, people are not comfortable with the strays around. So when I was on rent, they called up my landlords to put pressure that I should not feed or do something. Like one of the dogs was relocated from the society, so we did call the cops and we sent a mail to Menka ma'am. So she intervened, she called up the security to check and find out. So definitely that they try to shoo the dogs away. Last year they were hitting, then we had to be like really strict that no, you can't hit them and that way around. Of course, now spending so much time with them and knowing them so much, of course, I would any day prefer spending my time and being with them rather than humans. They know how to coexist. We humans don't.
जो इंसान है ना, जो कुत्ते इंसान को सिखाते हैं, वो चीज़ इंसान नहीं सीखता है। क्यों नहीं सीखता है? ये तो समझते हैं कि जानवर है, पर वो जानवर में इतनी बुद्धि होती है कि इंसान पर नहीं होती। ठीक है जी। अगर आप मुझे आज कोई परेशानी है, आपको परेशानी, मैं आपको देख कर निकल जाऊँगा। अरे कुत्ते का छोटा सा घाव है ना, तो उसके जीभ में अमृत होता है, उसको चाट को उसको ठीक कर देगा वो। हम लोग सोचेंगे पड़ा तो पड़ा रहने, पता नहीं कौन पड़ा, भिखारी अमीर कौन सा, कुछ नहीं सोचेंगे उसको। फिर ये ना हो तो इंसान का तो आधा ज़िंदगी समझो उसमें। ये बहुत रखवाली करते हैं इंसान की, हर चीज़ में सेवा करते हैं। कि अगर हम रात बिरात में अपने खेत में हैं, कहीं भी हैं, तो वहाँ पे हमारी हिफाजत करते हैं।
They are unconditional in their love. They will not really see who you are, which religion you're from, which caste you're from, which race you're from, which gender you're from. They don't care about any of that. If you are kind to them, they will be kind to you. Even if you're not kind to them, they will be kind to you. We started with doing workshops with school students, which is something that we even continue now. That is one of our signature initiatives because we feel that sensitizing young students is what will really make a kinder future. Recently, collared 1,000 street dogs across 3 cities in India, Delhi, Bangalore and Cuttack. We've reached over 13,000 students with the message of animal rights, veganism and of course environmental protection as well. When it comes to our sterilization drives, we've of course sterilized approximately 60-70 dogs in different sectors in Noida. So there are successes in every initiative that we do, and we hope that it carries on so that we can help more and more animals in need. One of the challenges was fundraising, one of the challenges was reaching out to more and more people. Earlier we used to go to schools physically to conduct workshops. Now we use virtual platforms to conduct them online with schools. When you talk about the dairy industry, there are various aspects. Earlier we were limited to Bangalore and Delhi in terms of going to schools and conducting these sessions, but now we have been conducting sessions in Delhi, Bangalore of course, but even Mumbai, smaller areas, villages in Bihar, Rajasthan. So, the reach has increased. The internet and the ORG domain has really helped us in multiple ways, whether it's been creating a larger impact, whether it's been generating more funds, whether it's been just, advocating for our causes in a much efficient manner, running our team in a much efficient manner, getting more people involved in the causes that we are doing. So I think, the virtual means that we have adopted through the internet or the ORG domain has really helped us as an organization become the face of change.
Internet has helped a lot. It has helped to create the awareness, the positive side of internet. It has helped to create so much awareness around that now we see a lot of people coming out and taking care of these voiceless strays, animals around you. I think it is only and only because of internet's positive thing that now people are united in this to take care of these animals around.
When we are able to see animals as individuals and not as things or objects, that is when we can really see a huge decrease in the number of animal abuse cases.